Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 2. Question number 2 here is you see that is identify the terms and their fractions. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factors by tree diagrams, right? You have to show it by tree diagrams. Let us find. Here, identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. So, the terms and factors by tree diagram, right? Let us show. Suppose question number 1a. 1a is that is the expression is x minus 3, x minus 3, right? This is the expression. Expression is x minus 3, that is this is expression. Expressions. Expression is x minus 3, x minus 3. Now here the terms are, the various terms are here. You can see, you can write in this way the various term by tree diagram. In this way you can write the tree diagram. These are the various terms. Here you see one term is x and another term is minus 3. These are the terms. And if you write the factors, if you write the factors, we'll get these are the various factors. Factors can be written as, here you see, that is 1 and x, and this can be written as the factors of minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3, these are the factors. Question number A. Now question number B, here you see is, B is 1 plus x. 1 expression is, this is the expression. Expression is 1 plus x square. If we write the various terms, we'll get here 3 terms. 3 terms. The 3 terms, here you can write terms. Terms is 1, term is 1, one is x, and another term is x square. If we find the factors, we'll get, find the factors of these terms. Factors are, factors you can write, that is 1 can be written as 1 and 1, it as 1 and 1. X can be written as 1 into x, x can be written as 1 into x, 1 into x, and x square can be written as, x square can be written as, x can be written as x and x, and with 1 also you can write also 1, that is x into 1. These are the factors, right? That is question number B. Now we solve question number C. For question number C, we will rub this one, that question number B. Now we solve question number C. Question number C is the expression is, this is the expression. This is the expression is y minus y cube. Y minus y cube. Therefore, the various terms are, various terms you can write here as, various terms are, right? We can write the various terms as various terms as, one is y and another term is minus y cube, This is another term. If you write the factors, you see factors are, if you write the various factors, factors are, here it is 1, here it is 1 and y, and here you can find the factors of these are, factors of these are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here you see minus 1 is one factor, then again y, then again y and y, right? These are the various factors, right? Now if we find question number D, question number D, you can see here is expression is, this is the expression, this is the expression, expression is expression D, that is 5xy square, 5x y square plus 7x square y, right? Now if you find the various terms, if you find the various terms, we'll get terms are, right? If you get the various terms, we'll get one term is 5xy square, one term is 5xy square, and another term is 7x square, 7x square y, right? And if you find the various factors, we'll get, if you find the various factors, you find the various factors, we'll get, here you see 5, you'll get the various factors as one is 5, one is x, then again y, then again y, right? That means one term is 5, another term is x and y and y. These are the various factors. If we find the factors of this, that one is 7, one is x, one is x and another is y. That is 7 is one factor, x, y. These are the various factors. So it is 7 x, y, right? Now dear friends, we will find the expression for question number E. Now question number E, here you see is, question number E is, question number E. Now find question number E. Question number E is, here is expressions. This is the expression. This is the expression. Expression is minus AB plus 2b square, 2b square minus 3a square. Now if we find the various terms, the terms are, here you see the terms are, there are three terms here, that is, this is minus AB minus AB, and this is 2b square, this is 2b square, and this is minus 3, this is minus 3a square. These are the various terms. Here there are three terms, and we find the factors. If we will find the factors, we'll get, find the factors, then you will get, there are three factors there, 1, 2, 3. One is minus 1, another is a, another one is b. These are the various factors, that is minus 1, a and b. Number 2 is 2b square. The factors are 2, b, b. One factor is 2, another one is b, another one is b, right? Here there are three factors. One is, here there are three factors. One is, or you can write it as 4 factors. It has three factors. 1, 2, 3. One is minus 3, a and a. These are the various factors, right? Here is 1 minus 1 ab, here is 2 bb, this is minus 3 a into a. These are the various factors, these are the various terms, and this is the expression. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.